Hi modders! This video shows you how to install a sapphire crystal glass with lens to an SKX007. Some modders call this the Cyclops glass. This glass is the G0375 model, available at our store Watch and Style. This flat sapphire glass model has the same measurement as the original Hardlex crystal glass of a Seiko SKX007. The G0375, as you can see, has a magnifying lens, or the Cyclops. Here, we have the 4 o'clock crown and the dial with already installed handset. First step is to seat the chapter ring to the crown and place the glass gasket on top of the chapter ring. We normally do not recommend installing a glass with the dial and the movement installed in the crown, as it has the tendency to get scratched during glass installation. But in this case, it is necessary to align the glass lens to the date window. So, let us install the movement with the dial to the crown. Let's use a die that has a hollowed bottom that is normally used for a double dome glass. We recommend using a 28.5mm diameter die. Make sure that when we press, the die edge does not hit the glass lens, as it will shatter the Cyclops lens. Now align the lens to the date window. Then press the glass using a glass press. We have a separate video in our channel showing a detailed instructions and techniques on pressing a glass to the case. We press the glass gently, then check if the lens is aligned to the date. After checking if the lens is aligned, we now press the glass thoroughly. There you have it, the installed Cyclops glass, or the G0375. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.